Vaishnav, who is a Vaishnav? Who knows the Lord Tattvataha, in truth, in reality. He is a devotee. And he provides the informations about the Lord. And coming in contact with him, the living entity, then conditioned soul, then gets to realize that he is actually the servant of the Lord, not the controller. And then he naturally develops an attitude of becoming humble. So that is why the identity of a devotee is humbleness. Trinadopi sunichena. Just as long as one is conditioned by the material nature, he naturally develops a tendency to lord over. Similarly, when one becomes aware of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, he naturally becomes humble. Naturally. Why naturally? Just as I said, when a superior comes in contact with inferior, he naturally wants to exploit. Now consider, when an inferior comes across a superior, then what happens? He naturally becomes subservient to him, surrendered to him. So that is why there is no need for artificially pretending or acting in a certain way. There is no need to be artificial. It's a natural process. Just become aware of the greatness of Krishna. And we may not be able to see the greatness of Krishna, but we get to see the greatness of those who are representing Krishna. And by seeing how great they are, we naturally become subservient to them. We may not be able to become surrendered to Krishna, but we can become surrendered to Krishna's devotees, those who are displaying Krishna's qualities as Krishna's representatives. And then this respect will automatically develop. Just a matter of becoming aware of their greatness. The point is that a devotee is naturally humble because he knows Krishna, because he has seen, because he is aware of greatness of Krishna from the scriptures and from the descriptions of him from his devotees. And then you get to see the greatness of his devotees.